Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. SAP is one of the most powerful business systems in the world. But did you know that SAP isn't just for one type of business? It's used across almost every major industry, and in this video we'll take a closer look at how SAP transforms each sector. Let's get started. SAP and manufacturing. Manufacturing companies use SAP to plan production schedules, track raw materials, manage factory operations in real time. SAP helps manufacturers reduce delays, optimize inventory, and deliver products faster. SAP in retail. In retail, SAP is the backbone of inventory management, customer data tracking, real-time sales reporting. It helps retailers forecast demand, manage supply chains, and improve customer experiences, whether in stores or online. SAP in healthcare. Hospitals and healthcare providers use SAP to manage patient data securely, track medical supplies, handle complex billing and reporting. SAP makes healthcare systems more efficient and helps improve patient care. SAP in finance. Financial organizations use SAP to automate accounting, manage risks, report financial data quickly and accurately. It keeps finance teams compliant and helps them make better, faster decisions. SAP in supply chain and logistics. SAP is essential in logistics for real-time tracking of shipments, optimizing delivery routes, managing supplier networks. It ensures products reach customers on time and helps businesses cut costs. SAP in energy and utilities. Energy companies use SAP to manage maintenance schedules, monitor energy usage, support large-scale infrastructure projects. SAP helps deliver stable and reliable energy services while improving efficiency. SAP in public sector. Government agencies use SAP to improve public services, streamline administrative processes, manage complex budgets and procurement. SAP helps public organizations serve communities better and operate more transparently. Why SAP matters across industries. The real power of SAP is its ability to connect all parts of a business, provide real-time reporting, support better decision-making. From retail stores to hospitals to factories, SAP helps businesses work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more SAP learning guides and practical insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.